Okay, let's go. Whale, whale. Woo-hoo-hoo! That's a great fish. Today we're going to put a tree out in the water for some habitat. Now, I don't know if you can see the tree back behind me here, but that was actually my Christmas tree. And so instead of taking it to the tree dump site, I'm going to take it out to the pond, the local pond here in town, and put it in the water on the ice, and eventually it'll be habitat for the fish. So stay tuned. I got my sled out with all my gear. I'm going to put on my safety tracks here. Got little spikes on the bottom of them. They go right over your boots. Pretty handy to have. Also got my whistle, so in case something happens to me, I can maybe whistle out to help. Hopefully that won't happen, but I can always do that. And I also have some rope with me. I'm going to try to put in a stake and see if I can tie rope to it and keep that attached to me in case you know, the ice falls through and I can pull myself out since I'm not with anybody. But just some safety precautions there just to keep safe on the ice. Okay, let's go. Alright, so I found a tree right by the pond, so take my rope here. Looking good. At least I got something to pull myself to the bank. Just trying to take every precaution that I can when it comes to ice fishing. Last few days have been pretty cold, so hopefully the ice is thick enough. Definitely will be at the end of this week, but I just want to come out here and see what I can do because I really want to get that Christmas tree out in the ice for habitat. Okay, so I got both ends of the rope. Got one to the tree and one to my waist. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ice scoop and my auger. I'm going to slowly kind of inch my way out there and test it and see how thick the ice is to see if it's safe enough to bring all my other stuff on here. But I'm going to slowly kind of work my way out there and see how safe of ice it is. We're sitting at about 5 inches, so consistently. So I think we're gonna venture out there and take our stuff out. Always cover your blade at the end of your auger if you're done, because if you don't, you might forget about it. Brush your hand up at it, on it, and slice your finger like I did last year. That wasn't pretty. Just make sure you're very careful. Very sharp. Obviously they're sharp. They can cut through ice. Set up like that, you're good. gonna measure it with my handle here. I got my scoop on the very bottom of the ice. And that tells me how thick it is. We're good to go. Let's start fishing. Fishing poles. These gloves are waterproof, which are really super duper handy. Alright, I'm going to start out with a Swedish pimple. As you can see, got a Swedish pimple there with a chartreuse on it, a treble hook. I'm going to tip it off with a wax worm. Drop it all the way down the bottom, pick it up a little bit. So far I've only caught 2 perch, and they were 2 little ones, nothing at size, which is disappointing, but at least there's fish in here. It's pretty freaking cold out here too. It's probably about 20 degrees with a 15-mile-an-hour wind, so it feels like 5. Got some weather coming in tonight, so I was hoping we would catch some before the system move it in. Got another bluegill. Well, I have moved back. I got a little nervous, not gonna lie. I was out there just about 30 yards and I started making noise. I wasn't sure if it was growing or if it was slowly breaking apart. I'm not sure. Leave a comment down below, let me know what that noise is. It's kind of like a pong pong noise, and I don't know what that means. I've heard that if you hear crackling noises, it means the ice is growing, but I don't know if the pong noise means that it's getting ready to break apart. So I moved closer to shore where I'm still got the rope on, but I did get the Christmas tree out there. The Christmas tree is out there for the shelter. I just drilled a little hole and stuck the tree inside of it, and so hopefully whenever the ice melts, it'll sink down to the bottom. It'll provide shelter for the fish, and I actually marked it so I knew exactly where it was going to be at, so next time I come out here. Anyway, I'm probably gonna leave this pond, but at least I got the Christmas tree out there, and that served its purpose and got my goal done for the day. So we'll see you maybe at the next pond.